Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on that device. So first let's launch the Gmail application, and now we should tap on the right upper corner. Here we can see that we are logging in the Gmail account in Gmail app, and if you want to log out from here from Gmail account, we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. And to do that, we should tap to manage accounts on this device, click to this account and click remove account. After that, confirm your action by click to remove account again. We can also confirm our action by enter our password. Just drop the pattern. When we'll just go back to the application, we can see that we just successfully log out also from Gmail from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.